Hello everybody, Niurka Rebecca here. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm gonna do a June face, and I'm trying to get summery colors. So that's what I have here. This is tissue paper that I have saved there for a while. This is, I don't even know how do you call this paper, but I had it here, and this little piece here, I'm not sure I'm gonna use it. And I'm working in this journal. I'm gonna show you. This one is the same one I used for the flowers from my previous video, and this is a magazine from the hospital of work that they get them for the patients, the doctors, and everybody. So I'm using this one, and the reason is because I like the size, and it's kind of cool because they have different size papers here in the middle. So I thought that would be like perfect for an art journal. Let's see how much I work in it. The only thing I have done here is I add gesso on it to cover a little bit the letters. I don't want to read about gastro stuff, so I put gesso on it, and now I'm gonna start adding some color, and I'm gonna use this medium. I got it in Amazon. Never tried that brand, but it's not bad. It works. So I got it, and it's pretty cheap too. It was the cheapest they have in there. So, and I'm trying to put this paper in between because I don't want this page to get all messy. So I put this parchment paper in between. And my plan is, after I'm done with this one, glue the two pages so you get like kind of thicker. So let's do this. Okay, these are the colors I want. I think this one is kind of dark for what I want, but the good one about this one are they're kind of transparent, so you're gonna be able to see all of them. This one I think is kind of thick, so if I put some, it's gonna be in the white one. Alcohol inks, it's kind of spotty, so I'm not sure I'm gonna use it. And this one I really don't remember. This is clear, more clear than the other, so let's try it. But this is kind of the right color I wanted, so let's try to do this. Okay, now the last thing for today I'm gonna do, I will come back tomorrow in the morning. I will add the face. I have so many faces drawn around paper in my stash, so I just want to recycle one of those, and I just gonna add it here. I think I'm gonna cut it here. I don't need super long neck, so I'm gonna cut this piece a little bit, and then I'm gonna add it to the paint, and let's see what it comes from it. Okay. Since last night, I have been thinking that this pink is kind of too strong. I want to like a little bit lighter, so I'm going to lighten it down a little bit. I'm gonna put some white paint with with water, and I'm gonna try to lighten it down, and then I'm gonna start working in the face. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go straight with paint or if I'm gonna go with markers, or I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with paint on the face, and I'm gonna use this one. This is one of my favorite for skin because it's cover everything. But like I have the lines, I think I'm gonna put some water on it, so it's kind of more translucent than super covering. I'm gonna go first with the lines with my intense black, so when I put some water, react and give you some shade. So let's do that. Well, I'm back, and now that I'm looking at it, I see a lot of spots that need like another coat of the paint. So I'm gonna add some more paint on it, and then I'm gonna start giving some shade. And I wanna work in the hair. I have that hair, but I think I'm gonna try to go with curly hair. Summer, you know, June, so I wanna give you some curly hair. Let's see how that works because I'm not very good with curly hair. Not in paint, at least. Okay, now I'm gonna add some shades, and I learned with a class I took a long time ago that you should use white, brown, black, blues, purples, but I'm gonna go very white and black, and then I'm gonna add other shades, but more with the background colors I have. But started right now, I'm gonna add whites and black and see how that works. Let's put some white here. Oh, that was too much. That's fine. Now put some brown, random, not much thinking what colors I'm taking. Okay, this one is ready to put in the trash can. What else I have here? Okay, just some brown. Oh my gosh, I cannot do this, so let's try a different one. You know, some of them are so old that I don't even know how old they or never open, so I don't want to open another one when I know I have maybe some open. This one is open. Here we go. No, sorry, not good. I never use them. And some black. Let's put some black dark gray. Okay, yeah, let's go with these ones. And I'm gonna need more of the skin color. And I have this one that is kind of portrait pink. I like this one for the cheeks, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this one. Okay, let's try to do this. Well, let's try to give her some shade and hair. So let's see how this works. Okay, I like it, the hair, but I think I started the wrong way. I should do the shades first and then the hair, but it's okay. Let's keep working. By the way, I'm very hyper. I drink a lot of coffee, so sorry. Okay, back to her today. What I see is an angry lady. I have problem with the expression. I don't know how to make it. You know, that doesn't look mad. Look at her. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to add more color on it and see if I can make her happy. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to soften up her expression. You know, I have a problem. I never know when to stop. I think probably this is a good time to stop, but why not? Let me try to fix her sad, mad expression. If not, we can say I should stop here, right? But let's try it. Here we go again. I think I should stop without the eyelashes. They look like little anyways, I don't like the eyelashes. So now I think I'm done. This is the point where I should stop, but I think I need some color over there. Just gonna go only for alcohol inks, I think. Just a few drops so you have something there, but it's basically done. I hope you like it. I hope this is better than the last video, and if you last this long, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.